In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cancellation policy on Square appointments. Maybe you're noticing an increase in last-minute cancellations, or perhaps your business has evolved and you need a policy that better reflects your current operation. Whatever the reason, adjusting your cancellation policy is an important aspect of managing your Square appointments. First off, begin by navigating to the Square homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on this to proceed. It's the gateway to all the settings you'll need to access, including your appointments. When the sign-in page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. These are the credentials you set up when you first registered for Square. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's a link to reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Square dashboard. This dashboard is the command center for your Square account, offering access to all the tools and settings you need to manage your business effectively. From here, look for the Manage Tools option. This option houses all the extra features and functionalities Square offers, including the Appointments tool. Click on Appointments to navigate to the Appointment Management section of Square. This section is dedicated to helping you manage all aspects of your booking system. Inside the Appointments section, you'll find a variety of settings and options. Locate and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations that dictate how your appointment system operates, including your cancellation policy. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Payments and Cancellations. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can manage how you take payments and enforce cancellations policies. Now, you'll be on a page specifically focused on managing your cancellation policy. Here, look for Cancellation Policy, and beside it, an Edit button. Click on Edit to start making changes to your policy. This is your chance to revisit and revise the policy that defines how cancellations are handled for your business. One of the key settings is the cut-off time for cancellations. This is essentially the window during which clients can cancel their appointments without incurring a fee. It's a critical setting because it dictates how much notice you require, which can significantly impact how you manage and fill your schedule. Think carefully about the cut-off time that makes sense for your business. Whether it's 24 hours or 48, this setting ensures that both you and your clients have clear expectations. After tuning the cancellation cutoff time to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. There's a Save button designed for this purpose. This action confirms your adjustments and updates your policy across the system. That covers the steps to change your cancellation policy through Square appointments. Remember, your cancellation policy is a crucial element of your service offerings. It protects your time and ensures clients are respectful of your schedule. After updating your policy, consider communicating the changes to your clients through an email or a notice on your booking page. Clarity ensures your clients know what to expect and helps maintain a smooth and professional relationship. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Changing your cancellation policy in Square appointments is a straightforward process, but it's an instrumental one that can have significant impacts on how your business operates day to day. Your policy sets the tone for interactions with clients, so it's worth taking the time to get it right. We're here to help you make the most of your Square appointment setup, so feel free to replay this video if you need to go over the steps again, and don't hesitate to reach out with questions. Your success is our goal. Happy scheduling!